this project is about two Gemini models competing with each other, and they need to generate a SQL query based on the simple data. And we can see the prompt in detail. Here is the prompt for them. Read this data frame, and this is just a 5 rows sample. And give me a Snowflake SQL query with the schema like this. And recent 90 days AOV and prior 90 days AOV is average order value. So they need to calculate. And this AOV delta is the difference between those two. All right. And I tell them shouldn't use current date, because when I didn't use this prompt, they always failed me, always, because they don't know what's the recent 90 days. It's from today. It's from today physically. So yeah, I tell them don't do this, because the source data here, I put it as a data frame here. The maximum date is not today. So they need to be smart enough to figure out. And another one is I tell them to give me SQL only without explanation. All right. So this data frame will be passed through XCOM in Airflow. And we can see here. Yeah. Here. I use a Snowflake hook in Airflow and just execute a simple query to fetch from the source table by limit 5. So it's only 5 rows, and return it as a dictionary format, and put it here. And by using the replace method, we replace 3 stars with this data frame. So combine those two, we can have a data frame sent to AI model based on the result we get by this simple query. All right, so let's go. Let's see the Snowflake schema here. Now we only have nothing in our database, because they will be created by dbt. And we only have one view here, AI target. This target is an answer for this test. So the SQL query generated from AI should match this answer. If they match, then here is a task called answer check. This answer check will give us a result. Is about, if they match, then tell me a true. If they don't match, then tell me a false. All right. So, and this will be an XCOM sent to another task. So, yeah. And let's run this. Let's run this DAG from scratch. Trigger. Okay. So it starts. Now it's dbt models. It's running these 2 models first. Now this one is success, and so we can see 2 views are created by dbt, and now it's still running. Okay, this one is success. So let's check. One table is created here. Okay, cool. Now everything is finished by dbt. And this is dbt test. I run dbt test in this task. So you can see 1 of 9, 2 of 9, and 9 of 9, and done. Yeah, everything is passed. Total 9 and pass 9. Okay, everything is passed. And now is here we fetch the source table, which is the final product here by DBT, the fact orders, this table. So we have 5 rows from this table, right? And send those 5 rows into the prompt for those 2 AI model. And now those 2 AI model generates the answer, and the answer sent to the answer check task. So we can see they are being checked. And here is another work we need to do. We need to fetch the detail about the execution time. And yeah, and here is a winner report. We can see the report is updated here. So wow, it's interesting now. Model Flash passed the test. The execution time is 478 milliseconds. The query is here, blah 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 blah. And Model Pro failed the test. Okay, unfortunately. We can see the detail. We can see the detail by this branch, bro. Gemini bro branch. We check the answer check, and we see in log to see the detail. Okay, found 1,924 mismatched rows. Okay, it's too bad for Gemini Pro. And now Gemini Flash passed this test by the checking from Airflow, right? But now we want to check it by manual query. So I'm here to do the check. So okay, let's run this first. See how many rows here. It's 65,263 rows. And the answer from the Gemini Flash is also 65,263 rows. All right, so the number of rows are the same. So now let's run all of them with except to see if it's 0. All right, it's 0. So the 2 are identical. So yeah, but some of you might think this is not perfect, because if you want to make it perfect, here you might use for outer join with where. By doing so, that will be more serious. But in my case, I think except is enough for this case. All right. So if you already understand Airflow, and especially the text flow in Airflow, then you are good to understand all these projects, because I use TextFlow API in Airflow. So it's a little bit different from Jay's project, but the concept is the same. I built this project on top of his. And if you want to know more about the setting of Cosmos, you can learn from the video by Mark. All right. So yeah, that's it. I think if you watch these 2 videos first and then watch mine and then follow the repo, you can copy my repo and build this project completely. Yeah. And if you want to build this project but you encounter any issues, you are welcome to reach me and ask me anything. Yeah, I think we can learn together. And thank you. That's it.